If you want to try Brave browser but don't know how to install it, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Brave browser on your computer. The whole process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the web browser you already have on your computer. Now, search for Brave browser. Look for the official Brave download page and click on it. Now, click on Get Brave button. Your computer will start downloading the Brave installer. Once the download is finished, open the installer. On Windows, if you see a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Now, just wait a few moments while Brave installs. You don't normally need to do anything else. The installer will take care of the process. Once it's finished, the Brave browser window will open. Follow the setup instructions to customize your browser. You can also import your bookmarks, passwords, and other browser data from another browser. If you like Brave and want to use it regularly, you can also set it as your default browser, so links automatically open in Brave. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Brave browser.